Hello everybody, for Windstar with a 3.8 intake runner valve seal replacement. If you had on a PO 171, PO 174, this little guy over here is the one that is broken. Basically, once the intake manifold is removed, you take the little butterflies out of it. They already are out, and this little guy over here needs to come out. There is a spring in there, which we already had it removed with this extractor over here. Well, this one is from Snap-on, doesn't necessarily have to be. This one, the size of it is, where are you, baby? It's a 3/16 drill. It's right here. Anyways, so, and the seal that we use, this is our R2, which will be this one over here, and that will prevent the vacuum leak. We'll get it reinstalled back in there again. Let's look at this guy again. This is a bolt extractor. Cannot really see what it was.
I want to start writing things down.
Anyways, 3.8 for Windstar intake runner valve leak. This is the seal that we are replacing.